Upon the quiet morning shore, the risen Lord stood still. He watched his weary children.
Cast the net on the right side.
With love beyond all will.
It is the Lord!
The night was gone, the dawn had come, the water
Come and have breakfast.
shone with grace, and every heart grew still and calm before his holy face.
Come and have your breakfast. Peace be with all of you.
Oh Jesus, Lord, we love you. Our shepherd and our king.
Simon, son of John, do you love me?
Your peace is
sheep.
like the
Son
morning
of John, do you truly love me? Yes, Lord, you know that I love you very much.
Makes us sing.
You know my heart, you know that I love you.
Wherever you